Hey, what's up? My name is Kabir Singh. I'm a voice actor, poet, and philosopher from Los Angeles, California. Today, I want to talk about the motivational read, the motivational voiceover, to be specific. Now, this type of voiceover is specific to a lot of athletic brands, sometimes churches. But in essence, what is a motivational voiceover? What are the dynamics of a motivational? What motivates people versus what makes people cringy? What inspires us versus what comes off kind of not so good? Sometimes a motivational voiceover can be very intimate, right? It can be very intimate. It makes you reflect on the things about life or product or observation deeply, intensely. Very intimate, very close to the microphone. But there's a beauty when that same motivational voiceover builds in intensity. So you might have a voiceover that starts really intimate, and then it gets more passionate and more passionate and more passionate over time. And now you have a climactic scene where the voice is just has this push and then a release. That's the dynamics of a motivational voiceover. I've done motivational voiceovers for many companies. I've done them for Nike, I've done them for Pepsi and the Kansas City Chiefs. There's a very beautiful thing about the motivational voiceover. It can impact audiences of all ages, of all colors, from everywhere. There's something about the human element. Every human knows what it's like to feel a little ounce of motivation. Whatever motivates you may be different. But man, that feeling of being motivated is very endearing to us in our spirit. And there's a common human way to do it. A way that we all can feel and relate to the beauty and the grace of a voice that just builds and builds and builds and makes you reflect and gives you that motivation to make one more day better. Gives you that motivation to go purchase something that make your life more efficient. Give you that motivation to look in the mirror and be proud of who you are. There's a very beautiful thing about the motivational voiceover. My name is Kabir Singh, voice actor, poet, and philosopher. You can check out my work and my credentials at Kabirsvoice.com. I appreciate you and thank you for taking the time. If you like any of my work, check me out on YouTube at Kabir's Voice. Subscribe, get notified. It's a journey. I'm going to get better with time. Peace.